Have you ever wondered if you could create a profitable business based on your love of gardening? Well, if you have, stay tuned because I have a great way to make that happen. My name is Nicole Burke, and 5 years ago, I was scrolling YouTube, watching all the gardening videos, trying to see if there was some way I could make money and start a business from my own backyard garden. I have 4 kids and a love for gardening, and I needed to have some kind of income, but I wasn't sure how to make that possible. Well, it turns out I couldn't find the answer on YouTube. I found it from my own gardening experience, and that's what I want to teach you how to do too. So about 5 years ago, I took a refund check for $450 from my daughter's preschool, and I started a business called Rooted Garden. Rooted Garden is a garden coaching, a garden consulting business based in Houston, Texas. And would you believe that in 1 year, my business grew to a 6-figure business? Crazy. And it was all about helping others in my community, in my city, learn to garden just the way I have. Since I started Rooted Garden, I began a training program called the Garden Coach Society. And in the last 2 years, I've trained over 250 gardeners all across North America to start similar garden consulting, garden coaching businesses in their own towns and neighborhoods. And I want to help you discover if this is a good fit for you too. I recently created a 5-day garden coach challenge. It's free and it helps you understand whether or not garden coaching is a good fit for you. Believe it or not, there's really one key ingredient. There's one thing you've got to have to be successful as a garden coach, and you'll learn what that thing is inside the Garden Coach Challenge. Over 10,000 gardeners just like you have taken the challenge so far, and the comments and the results have been so inspiring. So all you got to do to sign up for the challenge is click right here on this page, sign up for free, and you'll be registered to start our upcoming challenge in the next few days. We'll send the registration, a free guide to your email inbox, and you'll be all set up and ready to take the Garden Coach Challenge too. Garden coaching is one of the most exciting new business platforms in the gardening industry. For years, people have spent billions with a B on gardening, but you know what they're buying? Products. And they don't have the education or the training to know how to make what they buy turn into great, beautiful gardens. But that's where you come in as a garden coach. So don't scroll YouTube looking for the answer to whether or not you can create a profitable business out of your own garden. Click right here, take the free 5-day Garden Coach Challenge, and discover the missing ingredient that's going to turn you into a great garden coach that's helping gardens grow all over your town, your city, and your neighborhood in the coming years. Thanks so much for joining me, and I can't wait to get to know you inside the challenge.